I'd love it if you'd like and subscribe, and here's how you find me on other social media. Hello everyone, welcome into my craft space. Today I wanted to share with you a flip through of this book that is made using a vintage Reader's Digest book. This is an altered book. It was a commission piece. I felt so blessed to be asked to make this for a special friend who really is in need of a journal and a place to write out her feelings and thoughts and all the things. So anyways, this started life as a vintage Reader's Digest book, like I said, and you can see it has been completely altered. It has a hitch post closure. The spine has been painted and covered with some mesh, and there is a flat back canvas panel on the top making some interactive pieces. We've got a fun little dangle here that has some little changles and stars and all the things. And the back has been painted kind of in a galaxy way as well, again with some sparkly glittery tulle, which I absolutely love. And let me show you the moving pieces. Those are my favorite parts. This book was made using the Stamperia Cosmos collection, and I had so much fun with that. It's such a beautiful collection. So these pieces move here, which I think is pretty great. And then we've got a fun little charm dangle up there, and yeah, it says never stop looking up. So even our next part of the theme here is that stars can't shine without darkness. So I thought that was great for what this person's been going through, and she just, like I said, needs a place to journal. So let's go ahead and do a flip through. Okay, so here we are inside the book. I have my little embossed logo there that says handmade by Frapps and Scraps, and there will be a personal little message to the recipient in there as well. And this is a little pocket, so some fun things can fit in there. Got a great little paper clip up here. And this page here is mostly left. There's a lot of room for journaling. That's really what she wanted to use this book for, is to journal. So lots and lots of room for that. Some beautiful companion papers with the die cuts with the View Zodiac stack, paper stack. So again, lots of places she can put photos here, or a poem or a quote or whatever she wants to do. On these darker papers, it's great to write with a metallic pen or a chalk pen or something of that nature. Jelly roll pen will do it too, gel pen. I just absolutely love this Stamperia paper. This one was an image that was actually in the book. There was a big owl here, and I took that out with some ink and put in a moon and did some splattering and inking, and it says all the beautiful stars in the sky. These are little page pockets, so you can pull these little tags out. The tags have been die cut and embossed with like a galaxy style glitter. Lots of room again for some quotes or journaling, and I just love this beautiful paper. And these are pockets up here as well, so she can pull these big tags out and again put some quotes or journaling or photos or all of the things. Let's see if I can get this back in here. Never happens when you're on camera. Okay, there we go. And this paper here is some paper that I dyed, and then I did some stamping in there that says Shine Bright. This is a little fold down pocket that is really great. So fold down pocket here, lots of room for journaling. You can write some kind of secret or more private like journaling, little tabs and eyelets. And this is just a pocket with some tags that says Shoot for the Stars. Focus on the good. More of that starry night. There's another pocket with a big tag. I'm not going to take all the tags out because they're much the same. Hope is never lost. That's a good message to remember when you're journaling about some dark things. I just love this. I did some stenciling back here on the actual book page. Shine Bright. More of that starry sky. And here is a pocket on the side. I think that's one of the pockets I actually don't have anything in, but there are so many. Here is a fun little piece here. Let's see. Let's turn it this way. You guys can see this is a fun little folio inside the book. So it's actually attached, but it opens here and here and here and there. And then this is just some, it almost feels like rice paper. And then this opens this way, and you've got lots of little pockets. You can put in tags or ephemera or photos or notes or whatever you'd like to do. And a big tag lives up there as well. And then, oops, well, it's supposed to. There we go. And then again, that all just closes up somewhere. There it is. Closes up with a little piece of hemp cord here. And I love the lace decoration here. And it says, trust the magic of new beginnings, with the moon and stars. I love that. I had a lot of fun putting this journal together. It was kind of one of those things, the person who wants to journal about it wants to journal, and it wants to put some really private things in there. So maybe, I don't know, I hope she will feel my energy, that I really had a good time making this one and went all out for her. Yep, okay, that's the inside. Here we go. Here's the next page. And I love these tags with these die cuts across. That's a Tim Holtz die cut there with all of the stars, and I just love it. Still room to journal on this tag on the front and the back, or you could put a little photo, or again, some kind of a quote or ephemera. Room to grow on these pages too. I didn't know if she'd want to put a photo or just leave them like they are. I love this message. It says, never stop looking up. This one says, shine bright. And here is a little something in that pocket. So there is a little journaling card in there. Every single page has been inked so that you can see the page color and contrast here. Love it. And this one, I love this little flip. So the little phases of the moon, they all have glitter. There's like little shimmer on this moon as well. I have a thing that things with wings must glitter, but moons must shimmer. I really like that. This one is like a slot pocket, and so this beautiful tag fits in there. And we've got some trim here. Again, lots and lots of room to write. Some pockets. And this one has a side pocket. Some like cosmic like shimmer stuff going on there. Love that. Again, more of the hand-dyed paper. Lots of room to write. It is a little wrinkly, but I think it'll be fun to write. And this one here says, into the darkness. Because sometimes we've got to journal about dark things to get them out and have a place for them. Find new hope and inspiration. So I hope that's what she finds when she uses this journal. I love this background as well. And this one says, let the magic happen. And here there's like a little cluster with the moon up there. I love that. It's got a little shimmer to it. And it's got some like little mesh behind it. Again, more phases of the moon over here. This is that Stamperia cosmic paper. Shine bright. More of that same paper. This one looks like a belly band, but it's not. It's actually a pocket. Today's wishes. It's got some stars on there, and this lifts up so can open to a little more journaling. I love how this looks like a belly band, but it's really not. And this is kind of more of that, almost feels like handmade paper. I did buy it at Joann's, but it does have a nice feel to it, kind of like a rice paper. And as we keep going, again, more hand-dyed paper, lots of room to write. And all these moons and planets have some shimmer to them. I don't know if the camera's picking them up, but they are beautiful. I loved putting the shimmer on things. Nice big tag up there for a pocket stuffer. More journaling. This one we went this way, so get some variation here. This one just has like a little list with some stars on it. And lots of fun tabs to pull things out. This one says wishes from the heart. And this one does that little lifty thing again. Focus on the good. And then this one says, the beauty of nature is everywhere. And it's got a little cluster with some of that mesh back there. Another place to write a little list. I don't know if she's a list maker or not, but I also had fun inking this paper as well, trying to make it kind of look like one of those crazy shimmery sky type backgrounds. Little cosmic. This one says, we are made of stars. And if she doesn't like these tags, she can always take them out and put in with some of her own. This one down here says shine bright, and these have been stamped, so they are stamped on there. This little moon has a little shimmer to it. It says trust the magic of new beginnings. I love that. This one, I put some shimmer on that moon there as well. A little place to maybe write something, a quote, or you know, a goal, or hopes or dreams, or whatever it is. Hope is never lost, it says. And some darker ones. And on these darker papers, you can use like a metallic Sharpie, you can use a jelly roll pen, a gel pen, a chalk pen, any of those things to write if you want to do some journaling. And more shimmering, like cosmic type backgrounds. I love it. Another one of those little fold down pages, so she could do some more private journaling up here. Little tag in there. It says, aim for the moon. Even if you miss, you land in the stars. And I love that. That's been one of my favorite quotes for a very long time. This little paper clip up here has a little star shape to it, so it's perfect for this theme and collection here. This pocket opens in here. There is a little journaling card in there. And one of those pretty little ruffly tags. This one's kind of like, I put some metallic wax on it so it kind of shine like the rest of the things. And this one is a little, it's a longer tag, so there is, you could use it as a bookmark, you could use it as a place to write a quote or do some journaling. Another one of this paper, I absolutely love this handmade paper here. It's so beautiful. Today's wishes. There is a little tab on this little journaling card. This is using the Stamperia's little cosmic papers. I tried to use every scrap of that paper because I absolutely think it's so beautiful. Let's get that back in here. And it says shine bright over here, and you can see this little tab just sticks out there. Love that. Another place with pockets and more journaling. She asked for lots of journaling, so I really wanted to give that space to her to put in any of the things that she needs to write and get off of her mind and off of her shoulders. I love this one. A little piece of scrap from that Stamperia paper. And it just goes right back into this pocket here, but allows the tab to show out over here. And these ones are those split pages. I love those, each with a tag. So you can pull those out and put a photo or quote or journaling. There's that same quote again. And a nice pocket. So this will hold, you know, any kind of ephemera or extra photos or extra notes or letters or whatever she wants to put in there. You could even take all these tags out and put letters if you wanted to write letters to people or yourself, or just extra notes or poems or whatever it is. And I love this page here. This is actually a piece of the vintage book page. It just lends itself really nicely to allow for that journaling that she wants to be able to do. So left that there. And a beautiful image of the moon back here, shimmering, which I think is wonderful. This little piece here moves. We kind of had some moving action on the cover, so I thought some moving action here at the back of the book would be nice as well. And then that leads us here to the back of the book again, just like that. So it is a nice gatory looking book. That seems to be the type I like to make. And hitch post closure there with an elastic, so still lots of room to add extra things, or she could even take some of these things out if she doesn't want or need them. But again, it looks very much like a galaxy, cosmic, shimmery, just fun. And I hope that she enjoys it. Thank you so much for taking a peek, and I would greatly appreciate it if you'd hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.